Nagcha-chat get ready with me. So I use my skincare morning routine. I always start with my current favorite milky toner. So this one's from the Haru Haru Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence. As someone with dehydrated combo dry skin, I can never skip toners. My skin lacks the balance of hydration and moisture. That's why mas gusto ko yung mga toner na that's leaning more on the nourishing side. Pero maganda pa rin naman gamitin or prefer ko pa rin naman gamitin yung mga watery toners but more on the summer season. But right now, since yung panahon natin is paiba-iba, minsan malamig, minsan mainit. So, mas prefer talaga ng skin ko yung may golden ratio. Meron siyang cholesterol, fatty acids, and yung some nourishing ingredients that could help my skin get nourishment and hydration at the same time. Hindi na naglalighten yung mga dark spots ko right here, and thanks to this serum. This one's from the Anua Niacinamide 10 and tranexamic acid. So, I use this day and night. Ganito lang karami. I don't need much kasi I still have sensitive skin. Sometimes I skip moisturizer in the morning. Depende sa sunscreen na gamit ko. But right now, I'm using this Skin 104 Soothing Cream. Watery or gel yung kanyang consistency. Ang lamig niya sa face. Most of the time, nililayer ko talaga kasi my skin nga is dehydrated. So, mas kailangan niya ng mga nourishing and hydrating ingredients. So, kung nagmamadali ako, I usually use a fan to dry. Grabe naman yung kilay, lumilipad. I-dry ko lang siya right like that. My skin looks deeply hydrated from within, and I'm low-key using my favorite tinted sunscreen, and it's from the Bare Face. Light yung yung version na gamit ko because I have fair skin. Ito talaga. So if you love wearing tinted sunscreen on a daily basis that feels like nothing on your skin, watery pa yung niya, yung consistency niya. So magugustuhan niya to. Ito siya. And ayan, ang bilis lang